If you're anything like me, 2 or 3 days a week, you come home from a hard day's work and have absolutely no idea what you're going to have for dinner. You're absolutely famished, and if you don't eat something in the next 20 minutes, you might just chew your own arm off. My signature move used to be call the pizza guy or hit up Grubhub or Uber Eats. Unfortunately, that's not really very good for my clean eating diet. So, I created what I called my clean eating emergency toolbox. I put together 3 super simple meals that I could make in 20 minutes or less and that I really liked eating. Then I made sure that the ingredients were all clean eating approved. Now I keep those ingredients in the house at all times. Now for me, it's just 8 ingredients, but you can decide what you need. Your mission, should you decide to accept it, is to create your own 3 meals. Then gather the ingredients and store them at home for a quick, no-brainer of a meal. If you should be caught or killed, the secretary will disavow any knowledge of your actions. This video will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Okay, anyway. In order to give you a little helping hand, I'm going to show you my ingredient list and the meals that I personally create when I'm starving, but determined to stay true to my clean eating lifestyle. Okay, here are my ingredients. First ingredient is this brown rice pasta. Actually, this is vermicelli, and this is my very, very favorite pasta. Quite honestly, I could just cook this and eat it with olive oil and be a happy camper. Okay? Next, I always make sure I have organic marinara sauce in the cupboard. Okay? Quick, easy. Okay, I also make sure that I always have beans, okay, cans of beans. These are organic black beans, but I actually keep a whole bunch of different kinds of beans depending on what I want to make. Everything from pintos to refried to white beans, okay? So beans, okay? Then I also make sure I always have a package of corn tortillas, okay? Those are simple, easy, really good whole grain corn tortillas, preferably organic, of course. Okay, also, fresh spinach. Try to make sure I always have fresh spinach in the refrigerator. Next, I try to make sure that I always have stir-fry vegetables, frozen stir-fry vegetables, quick and easy, as well as organic brown rice. This is pre-cooked rice, comes in a little package. You can stick it in the microwave, takes about 3 minutes to get it hot, and it's, once again, organic brown rice and frozen shrimp in the freezer at all times. What this does is it allows me 3 really great meals and the variations on those meals, okay? So first, I can always have pasta with marinara sauce. I can throw in that marinara sauce a little spinach, okay? Depending on what I have in the refrigerator, I can make something like, I can throw in some chopped up pork chop from the night before, or I can get some anchovies, canned anchovies, and throw them in there for a little bit of protein. Makes for a really, really great quick meal. Next, I always have the tortillas, okay? The tortillas and the beans, okay? Tacos, baby! Yeah! Especially if you got shrimp tacos. Nothing better than shrimp tacos. Okay? I can also, if I want, throw a little bit of spinach on top of those things. And once again, depending on what I have in the refrigerator already, cheese and onion and the like. Okay? But I always have these. If nothing else, this makes for a great meal. Another one is a rice bowl. I can take the rice, okay, and then the shrimp and put stir-fry vegetables in a pan, heat them up real quick, makes for a great rice bowl. Once again, depending on what I have in the refrigerator, I can also really spice that up with some leftovers, okay? So, but these simple ingredients get me 3 meals that I can make in 20 minutes or less and stay clean. Now, your job is to find your own meals and get your own ingredients so you have your clean eating toolkit.